Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The computer understands the binary language. The symbol codes which are used to develop computer programs are known as programming language. Assembly language is considered to be a second generation language. Translation is the process of converting a program written into high level or low level language into a machine code. Interpreting is the process of translating and executing a program written in high level language in a step by step. 2. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. The computer can understand language written in simple English. The answer is false. QBasic is third generation language. True. Compiler used to translate whole program at a time. True. High level language execute much faster than machine language. False. Removing the error in computer program is called bug. False. Three. Match the following. 1. First generation language, machine language. Second generation language is assembly language. Third generation language is high level language. And the last and the fourth generation language is database language. Select the best answer from the following. Question number 4. A. Programming language can be classified into two groups. Which of the following is high level language? Answer: all of them. And the options are Basic, COBOL and Pascal. Which of the following is not fourth generation language? And the answer is QBasic. Which of the following is not translation process? And the answer is debugger. Write the single technical term for the following statements. Special code symbols which are used to write computer program is, and the answer is programming language. Programming language which is dependent on machine, and the answer is low level language. Programming language which is machine independent, and the answer is high level language. Error in program language, and the answer is bug. Process of removing error in computer programming, and the answer is debugging. Language translation which translate high level language one by one step, and the answer is interpreting. 6. Write the full forms of the following. The question number A. Basic, beginners for all purpose symbolic instruction code. COBOL, common business oriented language. Fortran, formal translation. QBasic, quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. VB, Visual Basic. Question number 7. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by computer program language? List its types. Special code symbols digits which are used to write program is known as programming language. The types of computer programming language are: first is low level language, and the second is high level language. Define low level language, write its types. Answer: low level language is a machine oriented language which is dependent on the machine itself and cannot be used by another system. And the types of low level language are machine language, and the second is assembly language. What is machine language? A computer programming language consists of binary and hexadecimal instruction which a computer can respond directly is called machine language. What do you mean by assembly language? An assembly language is a low-level programming language for microprocessors and other programmable devices. What is high-level language? List any 3 examples of high-level languages. High-level language is a computer program language that isn't limited by computer, designed for a specific job, and is easier to understand. What is translation? Write different translation processes. The process of converting a program written into high-level or low-level language into a machine code to make the computer understand and perform the required operation is known as translation. And the different translation processes are assembling, compiling, and interpreting. Define bug and debugging. Bug. Error found in computer program is known as bug. Debugging. Removable bug in computer program is known as debugging. And that's the end. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Susan. You have professionally presented. Okay, it's very nice. Little more improvement should be done in your on your text. Okay, little bigger. Okay, titles are all of your titles are very good, and little improvement should be done on your text. Okay, little banana. Very good. Thank you, Sujan.